Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to display user avatars right next to messages in the Discord app on your PC using the latest update. If you're tired of seeing just usernames in chat and want those colorful profile pictures to pop up again, this guide is for you. First, make sure you have your Discord app open on your computer. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username, and right next to it, there's a small gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open up your user settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to bring up all the visual customization options for your Discord experience. Now scroll down through the appearance settings until you reach the section called Message Spacing. Here you'll see two main options, Cozy and Compact. Cozy is the default setting, which shows avatars by default, but if you're using Compact mode, Discord gives you the option to hide or show user avatars next to messages. To make sure avatars are visible in Compact mode, select Compact. Then look for the toggle labeled Hide User Avatars. If this option is enabled, avatars won't appear next to messages. Simply disable Hide User Avatars by clicking the switch so it turns off. Instantly, you'll see profile pictures next to each message in your chat windows. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can bring back those user avatars and make your Discord chats feel more personal and lively. Whether you're chatting with friends or hanging out in a big server, seeing everyone's profile picture helps you connect and recognize who's talking at a glance. If you found this guide helpful, let me know in the comments below. Enjoy your updated Discord experience, and I'll see you in the next video.